Hey there, I'm Garrett from the Software Training Lab, and today we're going to go over how to export your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Once your timeline is all set and you're ready to go, we can move over to the Export tab in the top left. If you're using an older version of Premiere, you won't find this screen, but you'll find a very similar option under File, Export, Media. There are some options to publish straight to social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, even YouTube. However, we're just going to stick with a standard media file. Here we can name our video and where it's saved. I'll call it Hubble Headquarters. Presets allow you to choose the output quality and the file format of your video. Unless you really need something different, use the format H.264, which will export your video as an MP4 file. This is a very common video file format that allows it to be played practically anywhere. The rest of the options can normally be left alone, especially if you're using a preset that already changes the settings to what they need. On the right, we can preview the final product and also choose what parts of the video are exported. Normally, we'll just stick with entire source or entire timeline. However, if we wanted to export only a portion of the video, we could change it to use in and out points that we set. I'll set this back to entire source. Lastly, we have two options at the bottom. We can either export it directly in Premiere or queue it to Adobe Media Encoder. These will produce the same results, but Media Encoder will allow you to keep working in Premiere while the video exports in the background. If you're on an older version of Premiere, this will be called queue rather than export. Unless you plan on using Premiere during the export, it's fine to just use the regular export button. The time it takes to export will depend on the size of your video, how much you've edited the footage, and the performance of your device. A minute-long video such as this one shouldn't take too long. Once it has been exported, I can find it in my files. Congrats! Now you know how to export a video. In our next series of videos, we'll go into some more advanced editing tools to help you get more done on the timeline. Thanks for watching.